Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's make some crispy air fryer chicken wings. Guys, this recipe is so simple, you can make it with your eyes closed. So firstly, I wasn't able to get drums and flats from the market, so I'm going to be separating them myself. So we'll be cutting between the bones. Sometimes you can find wings separated into drums and wings in the market, but I'm having some troubles finding them at the market, so I prepared this one myself. Don't throw the tips away, okay? Just put it in a freezer bag and use for chicken stock. So after separating, you're going to go ahead and give them a wash. Wash with lemon juice, cool water and vinegar. I always wash my chicken before use. I know some people don't, so it's everybody's preference, but I do wash mine before I use it. So after washing, you're going to pat it dry before seasoning, okay? Make sure it's dried up properly before you season, otherwise the seasoning is not going to stick on the chicken and you want it to be there for the perfect taste. So we're going to make our marinade, and for that we're going to use oil. Put some oil in and then go ahead with the spices. I used chili powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, white pepper, and I also used some smoked paprika and salt. So when you're done, you put the chicken wings in there and then you're going to go ahead and give it a mix. Okay, you really need to mix it properly so you can be able to get all the wings juiced up. Cooking with the air fryer is really one of my favorite things to do right now. It's so easy and simple. I just love how convenient it is. So this is just something simple you can do for dinner. You can have it for sides. It's really yummy and it's so easy. If you don't want to start frying things, you can use your air fryer for it, which is also very nice and it saves time. So when I'm done marinating, I'm going to cover it with the cling film and just keep it aside for 15 minutes. But if you have more time, you can go ahead and make it up to 1 hour. So you keep it aside to marinate for 15 minutes. After that, you're now going to bring out your air fryer, and that's my air fryer. I've had this for quite a while now. So you're going to lay some foil paper underneath the wire rack, just so you can be able to collect the oil from the chicken, and then you spray your, I'm using olive oil spray here. So you just spray it in before you put in your wings. So I have loads of wings. I'm going to be doing this in 2 batches. Just place your wings and make sure they have a little bit of space so you can be able to fry properly. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, if you're really enjoying my recipes, subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Thank you. Just gonna fry that at 200 degrees centigrade, which is my highest setting anyway, and then I'm going to position it to 25 minutes. So after 15 minutes I bring it out and then I'm going to flip it over. And guys, please, before you flip over, change your tongues. Alright, if you're using the same tongue, please give it a good wash. Alright, you don't want to do cross-contaminating. You don't want to use the same tongues you used for the raw chicken to the one that has been fried, okay? So give it a wash before you use, and then you flip the chicken over and then you put it back in the air fryer to continue frying. So after 10 minutes, I brought it out and our chicken is ready. Guys, look at that. That is beautiful. That's exactly how I want it to be and exactly how I wanted it to look. So I just garnished with a little parsley, to give it that pop of color. And then we're just gonna have this with maybe rice or potatoes. And then I have my little dip. I'm using some ketchup and some mayonnaise. Guys, this is so simple and you're going to really enjoy it. Thank you.